Hello everyone, welcome to one more tech video. Today in this video we are going to reveal one of the most advanced printing technology which is almost print our entire world which we are living in right now. Have you ever imagined how these big banners, signboards, advertising boards, almost every advertise you see in your daily life, how it's made? The concept behind this technology or this printing is UV printing technology. UV printing is one of the most flexible and exciting printing process ever created, and its uses are almost limitless. Discovering UV printing technology and learning a little about how it works will be beneficial for your business, and you will be inspired by what you can achieve with it. So, how this UV printing technology works? The UV printing process involves special inks that have been formulated to dry quickly when exposed to the ultraviolet light. As the paper passes through the printing press and receives wet ink, it is immediately exposed to UV light. Because the UV light dries the application of ink instantly, the ink does not have the opportunity to seep or spread, hence images and text prints in sharp detail. Precision ink placement is delivered by using piezo printing head technology, in which microscopic piezoelectric elements are mounted behind the printing head nozzles. When an electrical charge is applied, these elements flex, ejecting precise quantity of ink onto the print media. This advanced technology provides a highly precise degree of control over the machine ink's delivery, while also creating perfect spherical dots at different droplet sizes for extraordinary control over print quality, color density, and finish. This may sound very technical, but don't worry, the technology is there to serve you, not to confuse you. So you will notice the amazing print quality, and so will your customers. You can print almost anything on any material by a UV printing technology, whether it is metal, non-metals, glass, ceramics, stone, fabrics, leathers, and too many other materials. UV printing has rapidly become an essential tool for sign makers, graphic providers, advertising agencies, and designers and retailers. UV allows printing on a breathtaking array of surfaces and shapes. UV printing can be easily placed into copy shops, printing centers, and shops to offer customized and highly profitable products. The question is not whether you should invest in a UV printer, it is more of a case of how much you should invest and what printer model best suits for your needs. So, what exactly can do a UV printer? What type of product can you make by a UV printer? Virtually anything you can think of. This is popular with many different types of business for use in their merchandise, such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, jackets, handbags, purse, glassware, mugs, linens, holiday decors, custom cell phone, laptops, and too many vast varieties of objects. As I said you earlier in this video, whatever you are seeing in your daily life, maybe that was printed by a UV printing technology. If we talk about the advantages of UV printing over conventional printing process, then no time is lost waiting for the ink to dry before folding, binding, or performing other finishing operations. Work with a variety of materials including papers and non-paper substrate. UV printing works practically well with synthetic paper, a popular substrate for maps, menus, and other moisture-resistant applications. UV cured ink is less prone to scratches, scuffs, or ink transfer during handling and transportation. It also resists fading. The printing is sharper and more vibrant because the ink dries so rapidly it does not have a chance to spread or absorb into the substrate. As a result, the printing stays vivid and crisp. The UV printing process is kinder to the environment because UV cured inks are not solvent based. There are no harmful substances to evaporate into the surrounding air. So friends, if you are using some other conventional printing process to print your products, then it's time to upgrade you onto the UV printing technology. And I hope you are going to find the best UV printer for you. I assume you are going to like this UV printing technology and this video too. Also subscribe this YouTube channel for more latest technological videos, and I'm going to see you soon in our next videos. Till then, keep printing your dreams. Signing off, Vivek Chaudhary.